Hi, in today's discussion, I'm going to tell you how to increase the speed of your WordPress website in a simple way. Let's come to the computer screen and we take a test of this website. When I click the analyze, you can see that in mobile, its speed performance matrix is 51, and if we check the desktop, it's 83. Now I'm going to tell you how to increase this WordPress website speed in a simple way. Let's log into your WordPress admin panel. Here is the interface of your WordPress admin panel. I'm going to install a plugin to speed up the website. Click the new plugin and then type here 10 Web Booster. Here is this plugin. Install now. Now activate it. Now you have to sign up for this plugin. I'm going to sign up with Google. Describe yourself. Now we are in a dashboard. Click here to optimize your website. It's automatically take the home page and start optimizing. It will take some time depending on the data and the pages of your website. You can check it's calculating the new score now. Oh, you can see that original score was 85 and mobile was 21, and the now score is 92 and 96. You let me check whether Google speed have increased or not. Let me check. Analyze this. You can see our performance is 92 now, and if you go to the desktop, it's 89 now. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.